Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to make a header in Google Sheets for 2025. If you're dealing with spreadsheets for work, school, or personal projects, a well-made header can transform your data into something organized and professional. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's a header? It's basically the top row in your Google Sheet that labels your columns, like name, age, or email. This makes it super easy to read and navigate large sets of data. The best part? It's straightforward to set up. To get started, open Google Sheets by going to sheets.google.com and creating a new spreadsheet or opening an existing one. Once you're in, click on the first cell of the row you want as your header, typically row 1. Now, type your labels into the cells. For example, in cell A1, you could enter ID, in B1, name, and in C1, email. Make it descriptive so your data makes sense at a glance. Next, let's make it pop. Select the entire header row by clicking the row number on the left. Then, head to the toolbar and click the bold icon, or go to Format, Text, Bold. You can also change the font size, add a background color, or adjust alignment to make it stand out even more. One key step you don't want to miss is freezing the header. This keeps it visible as you scroll through your sheet. To do this, select the row just below your header, like row 2. Then go to View in the menu, select Freeze, and choose Up to Current Row. Boom! Your header stays put. And there you have it. You've just created a professional header in Google Sheets. Remember, headers are great for sorting, filtering, and sharing your data, but always double-check for typos to avoid confusion. If you're new to this, practice on a sample sheet. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.